Okay, so today I want to talk about Sky Protocol, which is a new protocol, but it's actually a rebrand of Maker, which is one of the OG DeFi stablecoin protocols on Ethereum. It's been around since 2017. It's tried and true, tested, all the best things in crypto. Time is the best thing for anything in crypto because it's all open source, so anyone can copy it. The question is it sustainable? So if anything's been around for this long, it's most likely a good play. So if you look at Maker, and if you don't know what it was one of the original DeFi plays, which created the first decentralized stablecoin called DAI, which even today, it's still basically the top three. There's a bunch of stablecoins out there now, but the ones that have been around and are tried and true and haven't faded really ever are Tether, USDC, and DAI. You know, you have a ton of different ones today. PayPal, you got Trump's World Liberty Finance making one. Athena, it's probably got some high yield or something right now. Like, there's a ton of different stablecoins, but the ones that have been at the top of the list for the longest are those three. And those three are the only ones that I would ever cash out into, are Tether, USDC, or DAI. Sky is a rebrand of Maker. So Maker was created in 2017. They created DAI. It's been around and it's been working flawlessly ever since. So now they've rebranded to Sky Protocol, which you can convert your Maker into Sky. One Maker equals 24,000 Sky. So you can swap that over right now. And then they also rebranded DAI into USDS, which is their new stablecoin. So this is the new version of DAI, which if you look at Sky today, it's number 56 in total market cap, sitting at 8, almost 9 cents. So if you remember MakerDAO, this is the OG DeFi stablecoin platform that you could deposit your DAI and earn interest on it. And they had SDAI, which was like a savings account. But now they've created this whole platform called app.sky.money where you can deposit your Sky tokens and stake them and actually earn stablecoin yield at 15%. So you can deposit your Sky, and whatever amount of money you have in Sky, you're getting 15% of that paid out in stablecoin or Spark right now, but they're planning on adding more rewards tokens. So, you know, you can stake your Sky and then pick what reward coin you want to get. Sky is an obvious pick for me because it's a rebrand from a solid, tried and true brand. It's sitting at 56. Ethereum's pumping at all-time highs. This has not started moving yet. It's a good time to maybe take some profits and move it into something like this that you can then go to the platform and stake for 15% and start getting some stable coins, getting ready for the next bear market. The other reward token that you can get right now actually is Spark, which I think is a higher risk, higher reward play within this ecosystem as well. So there's going to be, they're calling them stars in the Sky ecosystem, but they're subnets. They're like subsectors within Sky. And the first one is Spark, which is a stablecoin lending platform, basically, where you can earn yield on the stablecoins, which used to just be right on Maker, but now it's its own separate little app within the Sky ecosystem. So you can stake Sky, earn stablecoin, and then you can take that USDS and go plug it into Spark to earn 4.75% on that. And then you can also stake Spark if you want to as well and start getting points for that. There's farming here, so you can actually deposit USDS here too and start earning Spark. So there's tons of opportunity here to earn some tokens and stable coins. The end of this year is probably going to be the top for this cycle. So September to December is a good time to be cashing out like 10% per month. All right, well, that's all I got. So until next time, guys.